Today, we're diving into a beautiful concept in physics, the principle of least action. One of my grandma explanation. It sounds fancy, but let's break it down. Imagine you're skiing. You naturally find the quickest way down the hill. Nature, in all its wisdom, does something similar, but on a grander scale. Remember how light bends when entering water? That's refraction. Light. Light is choosing the path that takes the least time. In the vastness of space, planets orbiting stars aren't just floating randomly. They're following paths that balance energy and time in the most efficient way. But what does least action really mean? Think of it as a balance. On one side, we have energy, and on the other, time. Nature loves efficiency. It tries to use the least amount of both. Another example, soap bubbles. They form as spheres because that shape encloses the most air with the least surface area. It's nature's way of being thrifty with soap. This principle isn't just about the shortest. It's about the path where, when you consider both the energy used and the time taken, the action is minimized. Even when we throw a ball, it follows a special curve called a parabola. This path is nature's way of balancing gravitational energy and motion. And in the world of tiny particles, the famous physicist Richard Feynman used this principle to predict how particles interact, using what we call Feynman diagrams. From the dance of planets to the fall of a leaf, the principle of least action is at play. It's a testament to the elegant efficiency of our universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey. The principle of least action is a fundamental principle of physics that states that nature chooses the path of least action when moving from one state to another. Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders